Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you recover your old snaps and chats on Snapchat. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, I'm going to open up my Snapchat and then I'm going to swipe to a chat. And now, on Snapchat, if you send someone a text, there's this default setting that if they view it once, the chat will be automatically deleted, and that is the same for snaps unless you save the snap in chat like I did here before. So what do you do in that case? So first of all, let's suppose if I send the chat and I want it to stay, I can go ahead and hold it and press save in chat, or I can just tap on it and it will save itself. So that is one way. But in case you want to view the chat more than 24 hours, you're gonna go to this chat settings, and you can select between these two options: after viewing or 24 hours after viewing, right? So now your chats will be there for 24 hours. And now, for example, let's go to my gallery, and if I were to I took this photo, and if I were to delete this, and let's suppose this is a snap I wanted to recover. So on Snapchat, when you're taking a photo, you can press on the save button, and then you can view your photos that you took. For example, if I take one blank snap here, I press save and I press this cross, then this blank photo will save here. And if I want to recover it, and like for example this photo I just deleted, it was either one of these, I can hold on to it and I can save it in chat. For example, let me see which one I deleted. Okay, I'm gonna save this one. I'm gonna press this export button, and I'm gonna scroll to the right side and press download, right? And then I'm gonna go to my photos, and boom, you see this photo is back. This black photo that we just saved is back. And that is how you can recover your photos by basically just going to your memories. And other than that, in order for you to save the chats, you need to be saving them real time or within the 24 hours window if that option you have enabled. And if you want to save someone's snap, then basically, let's suppose, for example, if I were to send this, I can save it myself as well, right? And if the other person sends me, I can also go ahead and you see this button on the bottom right, you can press that and it will be saved in chat. So that is pretty much all you needed to know about this topic. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.